Hi everyone, it's Kelly from KLK Endeavors. Woo! And I have the March Bargain Bead Box subscription that came in. And I want to show you, of course. Okay, this month's. Oh, I got the wrong one. There it is. This month's Bargain Bead Box came in a beautiful green bag. And it says, ooh, Bargain Bead Box Celtic Inspirations. Your beads. Rich greens and sparkling teal combined with silver findings in this Celtic collection. Highlights include green aventurine teardrops and carved leaves, a pair of half-matte agate focal beads, and an array of high-quality silver tone findings. Celtic motifs include the Triquetra, often representing spirituality, unity, and eternity, and the Knot, typically used to represent strength, like the roots of an oak tree. We hope you enjoy designing with these timeless symbols. And of course, I've got a 30% off coupon, a contest I could enter, and if you'd like to get your own subscription, just go to www.bargainbeadbox.com. It's $17.95 a month, and it really helps spark my creativity. Okay, so now let me show you the actual pieces, the different items. First of all, 2 pieces, approximately 18 by 13 green aventurine drops, pendants. Very pretty. They're little. Oops! So little I might lose them. But anyhow, they're little, but I'll find something to use them on. So I've got that one. And then number 2, 20 pieces, 7.5 millimeter, 3-petal bead cap, lead-free and cadmium-free, it says. And here are these bead caps. I better put my glasses on so I can see if it's in focus right. There they are. So very pretty. Some more silver bead caps. I'll need some of them. That's for sure. Okay, third one. 4-piece, 18 by 15 millimeter Celtic Knot flat round charms, lead-free, nickel-free, cadmium-free. And here are those. I like this Celtic stuff. So pretty. Okay. And then I have number 4. Look at that. Oh, excuse me. 2-piece, 24 by 17 millimeter knotwork charms links, lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. They're very pretty. Look at that. Only 2 though. Oh well. Number 5. 14-inch strand, 6 millimeter green agate round beads, dyed and heated. They're very pretty. Dyed, I probably wouldn't use these in an essential oil bracelet, but I can use them for other things. And number 6. There are, let's see, how many? 19 items this month. And number 6 says, Oh, that's my number 6. I think I got my 6 and my 9 mixed up. There it is. Number 6. 10-piece strand, 13.5 millimeter, crystal disco faceted round beads, blue-green. These are bigger and very pretty. Okay. And number 7 is 1 meter, 5 times 3.5 millimeter, textured steel jewelry chain. Ooh. Lead-free and nickel-free. Let me put this back up so you can see it a little better. It is textured. Look at that. Really pretty. It's a lighter chain, so I don't think I'd use it on a necklace. Although it's a little bit, well, it's a little bit heavier than the last one. Number 8. 50-piece, 5.5 millimeter swirled rope spacer beads. Whoa. Lead-free and nickel-free. Look at them. They're very pretty. Very nice spacers. Okay, and now number 9. 2-piece, 31 by 27 Celtic Knot donut with loop. Look at that. Very, very pretty. I'll use those up. Okay. And then I will be back in just a second to show you the rest of them. Okay, moving on. Then I have these beads. They're so pretty. 16-inch strand, 6 by 4 millimeter, crystal rondelle beads, teal, green, champagne. I know you can see it, but I'm going to bring it up even closer. Teal, green, champagne. Woohoo! Okay. And then, number 11. Look at this little thing. Oh, it's like 4 beads, 5 beads. Oh, they're leaves, I can tell by the markings. Okay, number 11, 5-piece strand, 12 millimeter. I wouldn't have thought that was 12 millimeter, but oh well. 12 millimeter hand carved green adventuring leaf beads. Very pretty. Okay. Oh, here's some Celtic knots. Look at this. Yep. 8-piece, 18.5 times 15.5 millimeter. Oh, Dara knot drops. Links. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Oh, very pretty. Drops or links. I only see this one. I like. Very much so. Okay. And next up. Ooh. Pretty. Bigger and pretty. Do they have a matte stripe? No. Very pretty. 9-piece strand, 10 millimeter green adventuring round beads. That's what I figured they'd be. Oop, and one got away. Good thing I caught him. Next is 4 sets. 16 by 21 millimeter ornate toggle clasp, lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. Very pretty. I'll probably use them as earrings. Knowing me. Stay tuned. Okay. Number 15. Check this out. Look at this pendant. Can't even hold it, it's so slippery. 30 by 20 millimeter green adventuring teardrop focal. Very pretty and very slippery. Very nice. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's coming apart. Okay. I'll show you that one in there. 7-inch strand, 8 millimeter faceted English cut candy jade beads, dyed. And jade is in quotation marks. So I think it's an imitation jade. Look at how pretty they are. Very nice. Okay. And these I absolutely love. Check this out. The insides. How cool is that? Never had anything like that. 2-piece, approximately 24 to 27 millimeter, half matte green agate coin beads. I'm going to grab one and put it up closer for you. Look at the little line, that's where the string goes through. Quite interesting though. I love that. Is there any shiny beads I don't like? No, I don't think so. Okay, number 18. Look at them. A different way. Okay. 7-inch strand, 8 by 6 millimeter crystal rondelle beads, metallic green iris. Pull this one up. Well, metallic green iris. It's hard to tell with all that sparkle going on. Look at that. Very nice. Wow. Somebody'd be flashy wearing that. And the last one I have is 2-piece, 29.5 millimeter Triquetra Pendants. Lead-free, nickel-free, and cadmium-free. I don't know that quite. Triquetra. Let's take a look. See if we get any clues. Oh, try. I see 3 pieces there, 3 designs on the outside. And like the Celtic Knot on the inside. Very pretty. 2 of them. And that is the Bargain Bead Box subscription for March. And did I say the theme? I think I did. Yes, I did. It is Celtic Inspirations. So, I hope you enjoyed seeing what I got. Like I said, if you want a subscription, just go to www.bargainbeadbox.com and get in on your own. It's only $17.95 a month, and it's well worth it if you buy these things retail, outright. This shipment is an approximate total retail value of $63. And I think I'll be able to make a lot more than $63 worth of jewelry. No problem. So, time to get creative. I'll see you when it's done. Bye.